everyone, Amy Love here, and I'm coming on today to just share with you my table and my girlfriend's table from the craft fairs. Now this was our first craft fair and we've done 3 so far and we have 1 more to go, so we don't have all of these things available. But what I do have, I will be listing in my Etsy if it isn't there already. And I sold, these bookmarks were a good seller. And those, I'm going to list those tags I showed you. They are also gift card holders. I will be listing those in my Etsy. The shaker ornaments, I only have 1 left, and it is listed in my Etsy, but I'll be taking it to the next craft fair. I sold that pumpkin. Isn't it beautiful? But I do have 1 shabby pumpkin left. I ended up making, I think, 4 shabby trees, and I have 2 of them left. And then those are my shabby chic night lights, which I do have a video on how to create those. These notebooks are just beautiful, and I do have them also listed in my Etsy shop. These are little bookmarks I made with the adorable cabochons from Angel Dream Crafts, and I have sold a lot of those, and I don't have those in the shop. And here are the notebooks in the smaller size. I do have this bracelet and necklace, and these necklaces listed in my Etsy. That's the pumpkin I have left right there with the cameo and the bead dangles. They're so pretty. And I am going to be listing some of the flowers in the shop, and I'm going to be listing these. These are the clothespins, and they have magnets on the back, so they are great little memo holders. And there's the ornaments. And then I will be listing these big clips in my Etsy store also as soon as I get a chance. And I sold a lot of these ornaments, but the ones I have left I will try to get listed. And you'll find a link to my store below. And this is my friend's table. This is Savage Mountain Living. And those are her loofah soaps that I just love. But my favorite thing are these lanterns. These are apple and cinnamon, and they're in vintage mason jars. And they have a hole drilled in the back so the lights do plug in. And then look at these snowmen. Aren't they fantastic? I haven't brought one home yet, but I'm going to be picking one up at our last craft fair. I can't wait. I can't wait. I do have one of those apple lanterns, and I love them. And those are, I think, listed in her Etsy. And, of course, I'll have the link below. And she also has potpourri lanterns. And these sugar scrubs are so fantastic. May I recommend the coffee scrub because it's my favorite. And she also makes these wonderful salves. So she's got lots of great things. I will put a link to her Etsy below. Oh, and her wax melts. I haven't met a wax melt that I don't love yet. So be sure you go and check them out, everybody. Bye.